This is a new tutorial. I will show you how you can use my window geometry node. First, add window in scene. There are two methods. By appending object window from blend file. Second method, by adding it from asset browser. Now you can set window position as you want. Use geometry node to resize window object. It's time to set window type. First, bottom sub parameters. If it's equal to 1, a window becomes a door. Set frame handle height to 1 meter. Other archviz parameters exist, such as changing materials for frame, glass, and panels, changing UV presets, enabling shade smooth, and adding subdivisions. Set vertical mountain number and horizontal mountain number greater than 2. Also, frame glass offset and frame glass thickness are parametric. Set mountain offset in middle of glass. Thanks for watching.